Today's lesson is 3G Welding Series Lesson 2. We're going to talk about preparing your test assembly according to the drawing specifications. We're going to, first thing we're going to do is you need to check your print. We're going to, in your handout, your AWS EDU-6. We're also going to cover steps 1 through 4 in your step-by-step welding procedure. First thing we're going to do is we're going to measure our material. If you'll notice that you need to do, according to your print, the thickness of your test plates are 3/8 of an inch. And today I've got a piece of 1/4 by 1 and 1/4 inch thick. It is a 1/4 and it's 1 inch wide. That's the minimum thickness and width of your backing strip. Your test plate is 3/8 of an inch thick. We're checking it. Yep, 3/8. According to your print, the minimum width is 6 inches. So we need to make sure this is at least 3, and it is. Make sure this is at least 3, the width, and it is. The length of your piece is a minimum of 7 inches. 7. Then we need to check the bevel angle. Your print says that the included angle is a 45-degree included angle with a +10-degree tolerance or a -5 as fit up. This particular coupon measures 23 degrees. That's within tolerance. 23 degrees. All right. So now the next step, according to your procedure, is you will need to grind the mill scale off of your parts. When you grind the mill scale off, we're not talking about gouging the piece. Really all we're doing is buffing it and shining it. Get my stuff on here. Anytime you do any grinding or welding, you have to wear the proper equipment. Basically, we're going to clamp our piece. Take our grinder. Just barely grinding it, just buffing it. Do the other end of it a little. All I want to do is just barely buff it where it's a little shiny. This is the side that isn't. This is the side that I took the mill scale off. You only have to do one side. No need to do both sides of this. Now we're going to grind just a little bit you can notice that your coupon has a bevel on both sides. We're only going to use one bevel on each piece when you put them together, so you only need to grind the one. Going to grind just a strip or two on it. Just a little dab. By grinding the mill scale off, this ensures that when you're making your weld, you're able to get good fusion. Okay, now that you've ground the mill scale off of your pieces, okay, should have 2 3/8 pieces and 1/4 inch piece. We're going to use a fixture. Get it up here. We're going to use a fixture. Hope you can see that. But our fixture is designed to help hold this your assembly in place prior to tacking. You're going to put your backing bar in with the mill scale side that's been ground off facing up or down. Up. Okay. You'll notice that the backing bar is about 1 inch longer than your certification piece. I usually cut mine about 8 inches. My certification piece is 7. That allows about a 1/2 inch to hang off of each side for your run-on, run-off tab. Then the side that you ground the mill scale off, you're going to put 1 on each side. You're going to try to set your root opening. Okay, the root opening is this gap that's in between the 2 plates. These 2 plates are not going to be touching. I'm gonna, the print says 1/4 inch plus or minus 1/16. I'm going to use another 1/4 inch backing bar to set my root opening. I'm going to use a pair of 11 inch vice grips. Clamp it. Clamp both sides down. Recheck my 1/4 inch root opening. I've successfully got my pieces, my coupon pieces. I've checked them for dimension according to the print. I've ground the mill scale off. I've set it up in the fixture. And now this here is your first hold point. Remember what we talked about hold point. This is where you stop and you get a hold of your instructor that he can come and inspect the setup of your test coupon. Thank you.